To use Wells Fargo Apple Pay, start by ensuring your device is compatible, such as an iPhone, Apple Watch, iPad, or Mac. Next, you need to add your Wells Fargo card to Apple Pay. Open the Wallet app on your device and tap the plus sign in the top right corner. Select Continue and choose the type of card you want to add. In this case, a credit or debit card. Take a picture of your card or enter the card details manually. Wells Fargo will verify your card information, and you may be prompted to call the bank or receive a verification code to complete the process. Once verified, your card is ready to use with Apple Pay. To make a payment, hold your device near the contactless payment terminal and authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. You can also use Apple Pay for online transactions or in-app purchases. Simply select Apple Pay as your payment method and authenticate with your device. For added security, use two-factor authentication whenever possible and keep your device and Wells Fargo app up to date. You can also manage your Wells Fargo cards in the Wallet app, such as viewing your transaction history or receiving notifications. To do this, open the Wallet app and select the card you want to view. You can also remove a card from Apple Pay by selecting the card and tapping the info icon. Then tapping Remove Card. In the event your device is lost or stolen, you can suspend or remove your Wells Fargo card from Apple Pay using the Find My iPhone app or by contacting Wells Fargo customer service. By following these steps, you can easily use Wells Fargo Apple Pay for convenient and secure transactions. Remember to always monitor your account activity and report any suspicious transactions to Wells Fargo immediately.